Hey guys, I'm back with yet another makeover video. We all know few downsides of living in apartments are lack of space, lack of natural light and small balcony. Because of small space, I'm not able to spend more time in my balcony and enjoy the view. So one day I was just looking at this French window which receives equal amount of bright light as my balcony. So that's when I decided to transform this space so that I can add more plants and also some aesthetic look to my living room. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create rolling garden which you can move easily from one space to another space and add more plants to your house. So without any further delay, let's see how to transform this space to this. So for this DIY, I wanted to give some rustic look. So I went in search of some metal pipes and other required materials around SP Road in Bangalore, where I bought 2 flanges for the base support, 2 90-degree elbows, few screws and 3 pipes with threading for my DIY. And it costed me around 1200 for all these items, including 8 screws. These are the 2 rolling tray casters which I have ordered from Amazon. My initial plan was to use wooden board and add a rolling caster to it, but I couldn't get the exact size which I wanted, so I bought these 2 rolling tray casters online. Based on the flange size and with the proper marking, we have drilled 4 holes on the base, and with the help of screws, we are securing it so that it can hold enough weight on it. Now the base is ready, let's see how to join these pipes together. So here I am using 90-degree elbows, and since these pipes has got threading at both the ends, it becomes easy for me to join them together to form a rectangle shaped hanger on which I can hang my plants easily. And just to give some colorful look, I am painting these pipes with a golden color acrylic spray paint. And that's the old shoe rack which I'll be reusing as shelves for my plants. After all this setup, the most exciting part was buying some indoor plants. So I went to this store called The Box Store in BTM Bengaluru, and because I wanted to buy some indoor plants, I felt this is the right place for me to buy few rare plants which they have in their collection. So this is their beautiful place with huge collection of plants, both indoor as well as outdoor. But now I'll be concentrating more on indoor plants and few hanging plants which I am interested in buying. After spending few hours in this store, I'm finally going home with these beautiful indoor plants. Everything is ready now, so let's get started with arranging these plants to give a complete new look to my French window space. final look, guys. I've tried a simple way to create a rolling garden which in fact can be moved to any corner of the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeover, and if so, please like this video, share with your friends, and do consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new to my channel, do consider checking out my other makeover videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, see you in another video.